What's going on, everybody? Z here. Welcome back. So today we got the R2D2 Sphero. Look at that. It's unboxing itself. It's unboxing itself. Wants to come out so bad. So we're gonna be checking this guy out. I do actually have the BB9E as well. I do. That was really loud. I really do have one. So that's gonna be the next video. It's probably gonna look just like this video, but later date. So yeah, if you guys like this, don't forget to leave a like if you haven't already. Don't forget to subscribe as well. Again, these aren't replacing gaming videos. I'm just doing them for fun because I like stuff. And yeah, so we're gonna start this guy right here. Star Wars Sphero. Again, I'll have a link down below. I think I picked this up on Amazon or Target. I can't remember which one I got it from. I got it from one of them for like 80 bucks, 90 bucks. I don't know. They're all on sale, so whatever. But the packaging on the back says 188. So we're gonna get some action here with the dull knife again. Probably just about cut my face off. I didn't realize how close it was. Look at that. That was easy. So let's see here. Let's see what this guy looks like. I do have a side camera, so we're gonna try to do this at the same time. Hopefully it works. It's coming out really slow. Oh, there he is! How cool is that? Oh, it's so cool. It looks just like the other one, except it's R2D2. How neat. How neat. Okay. So there's the R2D2. Look at that guy. Look at, would you just look at it? Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited because he's gonna make like the R2D2 sounds. It's gonna be so cool. All right, boxes. Oh, what? Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I'm just like super excited about this. Star Wars exclusive laptop decals. How neat is that? Okay, I love stickers. I love stickers. Stickers are fun. Yeah. We're gonna put these on something. Absolutely, those are super cool. It's got a little, we got a little BB8, a BB9E, R2D2, and a Sphero. So what's actually kind of funny is the R2Q5 is actually like not on their list because it was a Best Buy exclusive, but you can order it on Amazon. What's there? Oh yeah, stuff's in here. Okay. Ooh, came with a nice looking cable. Look at that. It's like a braided, like golden-y, coppery cable. Cool. So we're gonna hook up to him. We'll be right back. He's probably gonna have to update all this stuff again. So that's a thing. That's a thing. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get him out and get him updated, and then we're gonna play with him a little bit and maybe get some of the other ones in here and see if they like to react and what they do and stuff like that. But get them chit-chatting together, I guess, if you will. But yeah, we'll be right back. All right, we got him updated. He's ready to go. We're gonna go ahead and connect. His little foot's gonna come out. Watch for it. I have to confirm first. Look at, God, it's so cool. I love that. I love that. I'm used by the easiest things. So let's go ahead. Let's drive him around. Oh, we gotta do the thing. So he's facing away from me. There, looks good. All right, let's do a little drive. Oh, he's going. What happened? Maybe he's low on battery. How neat is this? Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it because it's R2D2. Like, I mean, come on. That's like classic Star Wars sound. Is it? I love it. I absolutely love it. I love it. It's just, the sound is amazing. Okay, let's hop back out. Let's drive around again. Shwing! Look at how fun this is. Okay, so okay, we have the other droids over here. So we're gonna see what he'll initiate with them. We're gonna park him like right there. Perfect. And then we have to put him on droid. Good. And then we gotta connect with the other ones. So we'll get BB8 in here. We'll get BB8 in here. Searching for nearby droids. There we go. BB8, come on, buddy. Hold on, he's coming in. He's got set up. Oh, don't fall. This. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, hold on. We gotta like target him. We gotta target him. He's not ready. He wasn't ready. Okay, perfect, good. This way. Oh, he's rolling in! Ah, don't fall off, don't fall off. Don't fall off. Don't fall off. Don't fall off. No! Crash! Okay. You know what? Let's do that. Make sure he's on the droid mode as well. And then we're going to connect up our R2Q5 as well. Wait for it. R2Q5. The music changes. You see that? It's like the dark side. Confirm. Drive. Whoa! Gotta do the whole aiming thing first. Okay, we're good. Now come back over here. And he's in! Oh my gosh. This is just too much fun. This is too much fun. All right. So now we're gonna have him, droid, perfect. And then we're gonna close the app completely. We're gonna completely shut out of it, and we're gonna wait. We're gonna see what happens. R2D2's waking up. He's got some lights flashing. Oh, this is exciting. Because these two are like other sides. BB-8 is not. BB-8 is gonna roll away. That's what happens. That's what happens. So I really like BB-8 and BB-9E. I haven't opened BB-9E yet. But the fact that... Oh, he's so sad. Oh! Oh! Where are you going? No! I knew it! I knew he'd roll away. Was that it? That was it? That was it! Alright, so that's these droids. This is what we've got so far. Now, the next, I'm gonna make another video for R2, no, not R2, BB-9E. We're gonna make another video for him. I'm guessing it's gonna be very similar to the BB-8. But yeah, these things are so cool, and I mean, you can get them right now for such a reasonable price. If you're a Star Wars collector or anything like that. I love the droids. Like, I collect droids, everything. Like, that's what I like. Or Stormtrooper stuff, because, I mean, who doesn't like Stormtroopers? It's such iconic. But, yeah, we got these guys. They're super fun. Also, I'm going to have a video coming up with some more Cosmo. A lot of people really like Cosmo. And we got some upgrades for them. So stay tuned for that video as well. But, yeah, if you guys enjoyed, don't forget to leave a like. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe as well. If you want to see anything else, let me know. Leave a comment down below. Again, I do these for fun because, like, I like the real life stuff, too, as well. But yeah, see you next time.